Dear students of 12th class, today's topic I have chosen from your text Vistas. Its rank is fourth one, The Enemy, written by Pearl S. Buck. You know that actually there are moments in life when we have to make hard choice between our rules as private individuals and as citizens with a sense of national loyalty. And this very thing or point is clearly visible while going through this story. There is one of the character whose name is Dr. Shadow, and he was compelled by his duty as a doctor to help the enemy soldier. And you know that during World War II, three countries, that is Italy, Germany and Japan, were on one side, and you know that another part was the dominant force. The dominant parties were among dominant parties. One of them was America, United States of America, I mean. And now you know that at a time when there is time of crisis, or when you have to make the choice, or whether to display your humanity or to take the advantage of your opportunity to take revenge of your enemy. And this very story is framed, or it takes place the time of the World War II. There, an American prisoner of war is washed ashore in a dying state and is found at the doorstep of a Japanese doctor. Now the question here is, should he save him as a doctor or hand him over to the army as a patriot? It means that the doctor is at crossroads. He has to either hand over the enemy to his army, to the army of his country, and prove himself a true patriot, or he has to save the life of that soldier and has proved himself a doctor. Now it will be a suspense till he will go through this very story. And here the characters that play their main part are Dr. Shadow, who is from Japanese side. He is an accomplished surgeon who resolves successfully the conflict between his patriotic duty and his duty to save the life of people. There is one more character, Hana. She is Shadow's wife, who helps her husband in operating on the American despite her physical discomfort. And one more character is there, Tom, who is an American. He is a typical American soldier, thinking that most Japanese are cruel and not humane. Then there is the general. He is a selfish old man, only wanting Sadio to make him recover from his illness. And this story is set at the time of the Second World War, as I have already told you. It is a hot rendering portrayal of the conflict between man's head and heart. There is always a conflict between one's head and heart. There are emotions, there is sympathy possessed by one's heart. On the other side, the mind, the head thinks on other lines. He thinks to take the revenge, to take the benefit advantage of the opportunities. And now it is up to the person to whom it may lead to dominate or to keep a balance between these two forces or things that are in his persona. An American sailor is washed ashore in a dying state and is found at the doorsteps of a very eminent Japanese surgeon and scientist, Dr. Sadako Hoki. Sadio is torn between his duty as a doctor and as a patriotic Japanese. His heart is telling him to save the prisoner, while his mind is fighting to turn him over to the police. Now, it is a conflict, or it is he finds himself in the struggle, and it is difficult choice to decide whether one should allow oneself to be governed by emotion, that is heart, or by reason, that is head. And now how he managed to keep the balance between emotions and reason, or whether he has let his emotions to dominate, suppressed the reason, and that will be found, that we will find while we go through entire story. And you are advised to go from the first paragraph to the last one, and then we will discuss the different issues tomorrow, inshallah. Thank you.